Have you ever written an answer to a test and when you got it back realized you hadn't read the question carefully enough? Question dissection is like an instruction sheet for building a model. Just like the instruction sheet tells you all the parts you need and where to put them, the question dissection strategy helps you pull together the information you need to build a successful test answer. Question dissection is an approach to reading test questions that helps you pull out the important information. In using the question dissection strategy, you will read the question carefully, identify important and required information, list the ideas to include, organize your answer, and then write. The first step is to read the question carefully. More than once is helpful. Using all the parts listed, describe the process of building a model airplane. 1 fuselage, 2 wings, 2 engines, 1 tail. Next, identify the important and required information. Things like the action words or numbers and the specific topic. In this case, building a model airplane. Now list everything you will include in your answer. How to organize your answer will sometimes be up to you and sometimes directed by the type of question. Like in this case, it's a process, so step by step is a good approach. Now that you're organized, you're ready to write. Question dissection helps you identify the important parts of a test question, so you can build an answer that really flies.
Let's recap. In using the question dissection strategy, you will read the question carefully, identify important and required information, list the ideas to include, organize your answer, and write. Now let's connect the tech. You can utilize these apps and extensions to support the question dissection strategy, Google Docs, and Read and Write for Google. Watch our tutorial videos to learn how to use these apps and extensions.